Hello, my name is Jessica Masterbray, and we will be doing a science experiment with some simple household materials. First, we have milk. Next, we have food coloring. And then we have liquid dish soap. And last, we have Q-tips. We have here water, skim milk, 2%, and whole milk. We will first place the food coloring into the liquids. We don't want to shake it around too much, so that way it doesn't get dispersed throughout the liquid. And now we'll move on to the skim milk. And now we're moving on to the 2%. And now we are moving on to the whole milk. As you can see, it is dispersing on its own, but that's just from the surface tension being broken by the drop of food coloring. We will first take the liquid dish soap and one Q-tip. We will dip the Q-tip into the dish soap, tap it off a little bit, we don't want it drippy, and place it inside of the water with the food coloring. Not really any kind of a reaction. Next, we will take the dish soap, the Q-tip, and the skim milk. A small reaction. And it's still going, but only slightly. And next, we will take the 2% and the Q-tip with the dish soap. Wow, looky there, that's a bigger reaction than before. And it's still moving also. And finally, we will take the Q-tip with the dish soap into the whole milk. And look at it going. It's making quite a reaction too. Now, why do you think that the dish soap had such an effect on the milk as to the water? Wouldn't you think it would do the same? Well, the milk has fatty substances in it that the liquid dish soap attracts to and pulls them together, making micelles, and they disperse the food coloring throughout the milk, making it bright and colorful and a whole pretty picture. And I think that about concludes it. As you can see, our reactions are different. And that's our experiment for today, the color changing milk activity.